So, for today's video, we will share our mini project for subject programming for engineers. We chose to do a programming about telecommunication billing system, and we have done it using Python. We hope all of you can learn something from our video. Firstly, as you can see at line 5 and 7, the program are for importing a real-time and date from your desktop. So, you need to make sure your date and time are correct. Then, at line 9 until 11, we just enter a program for our front page of the system that will show the name of the company. At line 12, we put a program to print the date and time that we import from our desktop. And then on the line 13, we put print/n to make sure our output layout will be shown neatly. Next, at the line 16 to 18, it is for declaration of input from the user. The user need to insert their number phone and their account number, and then we use print/n again to make sure our output layout will be shown neatly or have space between current output and next output. Then, at line 21 to 26, we put our list of menu that the user can choose. In this line, we have used the selection programming, which is if-else. We have two choices, which is number one is digi information and the second one is for doing a payment or prepaid subscription. For the second choice, it will split to another three categories, which is postpaid digi, postpaid family digi, and prepaid digi. If the user choose number 1, which is digi information, the system will print all the information that we have wrote at the if function, which is from line 32 to 43. The output will show to them all the information about digi that we have input in the program, which is the available digi center near them, which is from line 35 to 37. It shows Johor addresses because we're focusing for user that stay at Johor Bahru. And then at line 39, we have put the number of Digi customer service that they can contact if they need to ask anything about their account or phone number. After that, we also put the basic information about Digi from line 40 to 43, which is CEO name, the year Digi founded, number of employees, and type of business. And then, it will also include programming from line 85 to 91, which will appear in the receipt section. From line 86 to 89, we have input the latest Digi promotion that will shown on the output. Lastly, it will also show the date and time that we have imported earlier.
So we have talked about Digi information section. We proceed to the postpaid Digi program. If user choose to pay their postpaid Digi bill at line 24, the user need to choose number 3 and then the system will bring them to multi-choices plan that they can pick according to their monthly plan. The program will go to the line 47 until 56. There is plenty of plan that we have included in this program to ease the user. The user just need to insert their plan price like stated in the output. So if the user wants to pay postpaid 150, they just need to insert monthly payment amount, which is 135 ringgit. As you can see at line 54 until 56, we have input a program that calculate your monthly payment plus with the service tax, which is 6%. Finally, the program will pass at line 93 until 107, which is the receipt. At line 94, we put a program so user will see their monthly charge that they have chosen earlier. And at line 95 and 97, the program will show the usage charge, other charge, and also discount and rebate. If the user does not have any of these three, the output will show 0. At line 98, the program will show the amount of tax that they need to pay. If the user plan is 135 ringgit, the service tax will charge them 6%, which is 8 ringgit and 10 cents. At line 100, the system will show the total bill payment that the user need to pay. Line 99 and 101 will print dotted line to make a border for the total bill payment. At the line 102, the output for the program is the date and time that we have import. Lastly, at line 103 until 107, we have insert a printf program for the latest promotion for Digi user, and the output will show the exact words that we have input.
Okay, next we will talk about second choice in payment, which is for postpaid family Digi. For this part of the program, we have input 3 family postpaid plan. So if the user choose postpaid family Digi, the program will pass to the line 58 to 65, which is also if as function. At line 59 until 61, we have input 3 family plan that available in DG. For program line 62, the user need to insert their family plan according to their subscription. If the user use family 45, so they just need to put the monthly fees that state at the output. At line 63 until 64, as you can see, we have input a program that calculate their monthly payment plus with the service pack, which is 6%. Then, line 65, the program will print the amount of the bill payment before tax. Finally, the program will pass at line 109 until 123, which is the receipt. At line 110, you use a print. The program will insert the plan that user have choose earlier, and at line 111 and 113, the program will show the usages, charges, other charge, and also discount and rebate. If the user does not have any use charge or the others charge, the output will show RM0. At line 114, the program will show the amount of tax that they need to pay. If the user plan is 45 ringgit, the service tax will charge then 6%, which is 2 ringgit 70 cent. At the line 116, the system will show the total bill payment that the user need to pay, which is 47.40 cent after tax.
At line 115 and 117, we'll print dotted line to make a border for total bill payment. At the line 118, the output for the program is the date and time that we have import.
Lastly, at line 119 until 123, we have insert a print program for the last formation for DG user, and the output will show the asset word that we have input.
For the last part, we will also talk about the payment choice, which is prepaid DG at line 26. For this part of the program, we have input 3 prepaid plans, so if the user choose prepaid DG, the program will pass to line 67 to 74, which is also if-else function. So, if they choose categories 5, the system will output of the available prepaid plan that we have inserted in the program. At line 68 until 70, we have input 3 basic prepaid plan that available in DG. For program line 71, the user need to insert the prepaid plan that they want. If the user want to subscribe the next 35 plan, so they just need to put the monthly fees that stated at the output, which is 35 ringgit. At line 72 until 73, as you can see, we have input a program that calculate their monthly payment plus with the service tax. But the prepaid plan did not need any payment for service tax. That's why we put 0 per 100, which is 0%. Then, line 74, the program will print the amount of the plan payment. Finally, the program will pass at line 1 to 5 until 139, which is the receipt. At line 1 to 6, we use printf function. The program will insert the plan that user have chose earlier. And at line 1 to 7 and 1 to 9, the program will show the usage charges, other charges, and also discount and rebate. If the user does not have any usage charges or other charges, the output will show RM0. At line 130, the program will show the amount of tax that they need to pay. But for prepaid plan, the service tax were excluded from the calculation. So, if the user plan is 35 ringgit, the total bill payment that appear on line 132 will show RM 35 ringgit only. Line 131 and 133 will print dotted line to make a border for total bill payment like earlier. At the line 134, the output for the program is the date and time that we have import earlier. Lastly, at line 135 until 139, we also have insert a printf program for the latest promotion for Digi user, and the output will show the exact words that we have input. At line 141, we have input a program that will print thank you at every end of a receipt, so the output will appear a thank you note. At line 143, we also have input a printf program that will print a line of star mark. So, the output will show a line of star marks. It is for closing the receipt section on every receipt. as you can see at line 145 until 15152, we have input a if-else program for open the Digi website. If the user insert no, it will print "Thank you for using our service." And if the user insert yes, the program will redirect to the website that we have input in the program.